In this first example, she uses a lot of left hand lead, and that's going to help you develop even hands. We are going to play two measures of consistent 16th notes. We start out with a 6-note grouping that we're going to repeat 3 times. We have a left-handed paradiddle followed by 2 notes on the kick. Our left hand's going to stay on the snare, but the right hand's going to play floor tom. The first 2 notes of each paradiddle we're going to accent. Those last 2 kick drums end up on 1 E of the next measure. Then we're going to have a left-handed paradiddle followed by right-left, all on the snare drum. Accent left-right of our paradiddle. Then those last 2 notes. Beat 3, we're going to have right hand on the floor tom followed by 2 bass drums. Finish with singles. Left, right, the first 2 are accented, and then our last left hand is accented. All right, let's do a couple variations on this idea. I'm going to move just the right hand in the first measure. Instead of playing that right hand on the floor tom, let's move it up to the rack tom. All right, and one more variation. Let's move the right hand around the drum set. Let's play the first time right hand on the snare, the second one on the rack tom, and the last one on the floor tom. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. All right, example number 2. For this one, we're going to use 8th note triplets. Our first half sticking will go like this. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left. Our first right hand is going to be on the closed hi-hat with the bass drum, and all the other notes are on the snare. We're going to accent all the right hands and the final left hand. That much sounds like this. All right, so that last note on the snare was beat number 3. Then we're going to take our right hand, go to the floor tom. We're going to play 2 bass drums, and then we finish with right left on the floor tom. Now let's put our 2 parts together. All right, let's do a couple variations. I'm going to take my right hand, and after that first note on the hi-hat, the right hand's going to play rack tom, and the left hand's going to stay on the snare drum the whole time. One more variation. After that first note on the hi-hat, the right hand's going to go over to the floor tom. Example number 3. This one moves all over the place in terms of note value. Starting out quarter notes, we're going to crash on the cymbal with the bass drum on beat 1 and beat 2. Beat 3, we're going to go into 8th note triplets, and we're going to do this sticking. Left, right, left, left, right, left, and then the next right hand will be the downbeat of the next measure. On beat 3, the left hand is on the snare, and then everything else is going to go over to the hi-hat. Snare drum is accented, and our last two notes on the hi-hat are accented. Second measure, hi-hat, followed by 2 bass drums. And we're gonna play that 2 times in a row. We're gonna go to straight eighth notes, left hand on the snare, the end of 3, closed hi-hat, beat 4, open up the hi-hat. All right, let's play through our whole second measure. All right, and yet another note value. We're going to 16th notes. Simple sticking, single strokes. We're gonna go right, left on the rack tom, right, left on the floor tom, followed by 2 bass drums. And then we finish up with a right hand floor tom and 1 more bass drum. All right, and to finish up this idea, we're gonna go to straight eighth notes. Beat 3, we have left hand snare drum, followed by a bass drum. Beat 4 is closed hi-hat, open hi-hat. Let's go ahead and put it all together. Let's do a couple variations. Let's just focus on the 16th note part. I'm gonna move my hands to go snare drum to rack tom. And one more, let's change that. Instead of rack tom, let's go to the floor tom. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and give you some great ideas and get some linear drum fills into your playing. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much.